1, 2, 3, go.
Ay ko?
Talaga nakabalik tayo sa Surat, no?
Yeah. Yung 3 years na yun, binawi natin ng ilang linggo. Ang peaceful ng Pangan pag walang party.
Kaya nga, diba?
The resort is alive but also chill lang.
Kaya nga, no? Paano ito lang yung alive na resort sa row na to eh. So yung on the sides of it, chill lang. Kasi yung hindi ka malilito saan mo tutuunan ng attention mo. Tapos sa loob, di ba garden. Tapos ang daming rooms. Di mo pansin, sobrang daming lang rooms. Pansin mo?
Ang ganda ng sunset dito.
Professional and the amateur. When you book directly through our website, you'll unlock a range of exclusive benefits. I'm grateful for all the money we've saved.
Evening boat.
Oh, it's been a long day for us. We were in Tiolan this morning.
Oh, Xiulan. Must be tired. Sit down. We serve you with the welcome drink.
Thank you.
Must be tired.
It is. It's been a long day, yeah.
And
But
about the sea.
it's all worth it for this view today. Until what time is the restaurant open?
Until the morning, actually the breakfast time is 7 to 10:30. Restaurant closes at 10:30 p.m. But restaurant is at 9:30.
Hello.
I'm a bar manager. I'm Joe. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Mike.
Sir? Yeah, Mike. Nice to meet you.
Can I request for a clothes iron?
Sure. Yeah, sure.
That's beautiful.
The sunset
Go.
very nice. Coffee included.
Alright.
This is our pool bar.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Pero ang ganda ng view.
Yung
Ang
ganda.
ganda. Yung sun nga lang andun siya.
Medyo late na, but you
Parang
know,
masaya doon manood mamaya.
maganda pa rin naman. Buti na may plansya. Makapag-plansya na tayo. Nag-request ka ba kanina?
Yeah. For this view. Para pa rin ako nasa
Nayuyugyug.
yeah.
Ako din. Sa pagod siguro.
Para akong
Nayuyugyug.
hinihili.
Kailan ba tayo last na ganito? Alam mo kailan?
Europe.
Europe. And we're back again doing this.
Thank you.
As
Ay,
usual.
akala ko orange siya or red. Okay lang yun. I want carbs lang. Hello.
Buha ka lang.
Tayo ng isa lang. Ito. Chocolate.
Your number, please.
05. Thank you. Kompleto na to. Ito na yung kasya na natin yan, ano?
Of course. Ang dami nito.
Ganda.
Ganda nga. At wala masyadong tao sa beach.
Kaya nga eh. Tapos 8:45 na. Pero, ba't wala pa masyadong mga tao? Tulog pa sila.
At hindi masyadong maaraw. Just
Ito nga dito ko eh.
perfect, perfect sun exposure.
Ayun ba ang samoy?
Perfect sun exposure. From lake to dagat tayo.
Ang bilis na ng mga pangyayari. 3 days tayo sa city. 2 days sa lake. 2 days
3
dito
days sa lake.
3 days sa lake. Dito din, 3 days sa Kopangan. Next nating destination ko sa Moy na 7 days naman tayo doon. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa'yo na I'm just happy na we get to do this right now, not later in life. Kung kailan wala tayo masyadong lakas, it makes me happy to think na we get to do this right now. Na meron pa tayong energy. Yung time naman kasi, everybody has the same amount of time. Yung iba na isisingit lang nila yung ganitong mga bagay. I call this experience not really travel. Depende sa priorities nila na isisingit nila yun. Pwede ka naman mag-experience ng mga bagay-bagay within your means. And sa kasalukuyan, ito yung afford natin. No? But still, I think the lessons and the memories are invaluable. Ito yung pinakapaborito kong part ng technology actually. Kasi we get to see pictures and videos, lalo na nag-create tayong content. Minsan may mga bagay na nagagawa natin or napupuntahan natin na fleeting lang yung memory, fleeting lang din yung feeling. Pero pag binalikan ko yung mga pictures and yung mga videos, parang natatransport ako agad. Natatransport ako ulit doon sa lugar na yun. Nafe-feel mo din yung pag nanonood ka ng mga videos.
Videos. Kaso ayoko panoorin yung mga dating videos. Cringe.
Kasi ako din nung una ayoko, pero doon mo kasi makikita kung saan yung pinanggalingan natin. Ayun. Pero ang bilis mo kumain. 40 minutes pa. Sabi, we're delighted to make your stay with us even more special. When you book directly through our website, you'll unlock a range of exclusive benefits. Best price guarantee, complimentary pickup transfers, 10% off food and beverage. Ganda ng blue. Di ka nainitan sa suot mo?
Ba't may dagat ka agad?
Please.
05, wait a minute. Pero mukhang masarap to lahat. Ano, cheese?
A Greek salad ka?
So, Greek salad, this is tartufo.
Sarap.
Sarap.
So today I'm going to show you our homemade pina colada and then our signature cocktail. The name is Roti Pangan. So but we always using that and that's more one. We put it there or put it using it like this.
Okay.
See? We can put it there, okay. 1.5 milliliter.
Okay.
Pineapple juice. Really pure pineapple juice.
Then here.
Very good quality. You can come.
I'll try it.
We can taste the rum and the coconut rum.
Yummy.
Very yummy. And about 10 minutes down there. Yeah.
Then I mix it, right?
Yes. Thank you, Mark.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let's try I made it myself.
Clara, you can make it in your home very easy, right?
Yeah.
Very easy. You can make it in your home.
I think this is perfect during the day.
2 spoons. Yeah. Yeah.
So we're making a foam.
Yeah. Exactly.
There should be more foam. Professional and the amateur one.
You want to focus there.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. Very nice. Good.
Ooh.
Yeah, you can try it. Sweet and sour.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Carl. Get stay.
It was very fun.
Much.
You are a professional in explaining things.
Thank you very much.
Para ako nahihilo.
Ikaw ba na mag-alak? Pero masarap yung pinakulada. Masarap yung say sana kung hindi lang super tamis.
Okay lang sa akin. Kuha na, mag-video din tayo banda doon, tayong dalawa.
Tawag mo yung aso sa likod mo.
Yogi! Come here! So cute. Dito.
Ang cute.
Dito ka.
Hello.
Hello.
Hindi ba ko tuloy tayo kaibigan? What is your name? Umamahali ka,
Hello.
maawa ka.
Baba, upo ka. Sit.
Yung ulo ka.
Okay.
Mag-ano? Tumis.
Yogi! Alis na siya.
Gusto niya magpapet. Ganito, hindi yung palo.
Ganon. Kaya pala pag pinapalo ko to, nagagalit ka din, umatake ka.
Of course.
Ano mo?
Ang peaceful ng pangan pag walang party.
Kaya nga. Pero, pupunta yung mga tao dito dahil sa party, di ba?
Nagulat naman ako.
Saan
Yeah.
pupunta?
Pero ang ganda ng sunset dito. Kahapon sana nakapag-spend tayo
Where
sa...
are you going?
Kaso kakarating lang natin, so we have to unpack things. Dali na mga
Nagpapakahamo.
dog whisperers.
Nagpapakahamo siya, Makati.
Kumagat ha.
Dito. Makati. Kamot lang.
May sugat nga siya eh.
Kasi nga makapal buhok niya, tapos ang init dito.
That's a free shot with
Okay.
pina colada made with mango.
Thank you.
Interesting. Thank you.
Kung another shot, another alak. Cheers. Ang daming alak today.
Pangatlong cocktail na natin to of the day.
Shot pa
Sarap.
sa matapang. More shots, more chances of winning.
Cutie, doggy! Sabi ng aso, at last may dalawang Asian people. Looks like family, sabi niya. Welcome to Yong and Mike. I'm Yong. This is my baba, diba? Itaas ko pa yung paa mo. Lakasan pa natin.
Uy, huwag naman.
Huwag kang pumreno.
What are you grateful for?
I'm grateful for all the opportunities.
For the opportunity.
I'm grateful for all the opportunities, all the lessons, blessings, all the people we've met along the way,
Ang ganda ng araw.
for all the connections we've made, and for all the money we've saved. One, two. Hindi daw, dito tayo galing. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ay ko.
Naglalakad na lang. Kalma. Kung ano ba mas maganda.
It's a beautiful sunset.
Ganda ng shot mo doon.
Ganda ng reflection. Wala na yung araw.
I took on his name. Talaga nakabalik tayong surat, no?
Yeah. Yung 3 years na yun, binawi natin ng ilang linggo.
Kaya surat will always be special.
Ayun. Lalo na sa'yo siguro, 4 years ka ba naman dito?
Actually, most of the Thai I've learned dito na, sa surat na.
Most of ano?
Thai. Sa boring, di ba ako masyadong magaling? Naalala mo?
You tried naman.
Paalis ko nga nung kila pa dyan, parang hindi ko pa sila masyado nakaka-communicate ng todo-todo. Konti lang.
Kaya nga naman mo yung ano eh.
Southern
accent.
Hindi ka naman na ang yung accent sa Trat.
Sa Trat naman is neutral, di ba?
Yeah, central yun eh.
The resort is alive but also chill lang.
Kaya nga, no? Paano ito lang yung ito lang yung alive na resort sa row na to eh. So yung on the sides of it, chill lang. As in, yung hindi ka malilito sa kung saan mo tutuunan ng attention mo sa katitingin. Ang cute din na napili nila tong spot na may old tree. Itong talisay tree. Ang ganda niya.
Yeah, may charm.
Tapos sa loob, di ba garden. Tapos ang daming rooms. Di mo pansin, sobrang dami nilang rooms. Pansin mo? Kain na, Sab. Oops, ang dami. Linet.